Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix League of Legends black screen problem. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of six steps. The first step is to run the game using a dedicated GPU. To do this, go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select browse. You just need to go to this PC, local disk C, write games, League of Legends. League of Legends client.exe file over here and select add. After adding the game, select options and select high performance and select save, and after that just close stuff here. The second step is to update your graphics card. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just close stuff here. The third step is to close unnecessary background programs. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select task manager. In task manager, you just need to close unnecessary background programs just by right click on it and select end task. And after that, just close tab here. The fourth step is to add the game to firewall. To do this, go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click on open it. Select change settings and select allow another app. Select browse. Now you just need to go to this PC, local disk C, write games, League of Legends, league client.exe and select open. Select add. After adding the game, you just need to check mark private and public over here, both boxes, and after that click on OK to save changes. The fifth step is to repair the League of Legends. To do this, open the right client. You just need to select the profile icon over here and select settings. Select League of Legends and select the repair option and repair it. Your game is good to go. No repair is needed. Select OK and just close it off here. The sixth step is to change the compatibility settings. To do this, right click on the League of Legends and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark run this program in a compatibility mode for click on the drop down and select Windows 7. And after that, check mark disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Check mark it. And after doing it, select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.